Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn side parking. We will go reverse by putting reverse gear. We will keep going until we see the block in front of this triangle mirror. Now we will move the steering full right, going reverse. You will check the corner of your left side, then you'll have to move the steering towards left. You will go reverse. Once you will be able to see the block two eyes, and from center the block is like this, you have to stop. Move the steering towards full right, put drive, again go forward. Checking on the left side mirror, you will see that your car is straight, and from here the car is also straight. Make the steering straight by moving 2 times to the left side, go forward, little bit more you can go, stop here, put reverse, again towards full right side, go reverse. Again you have to watch this front block. Once you see these two eyes completely and the block behind you like this, you have to stop. Moving the steering towards left side, you will put drive and go forward. From here there is a tricky way. Once the lock, this lock is equal to this corner, you have to stop and cut towards right side full. And if the car is near to this block, you have to cut towards the left side a little bit to adjust the car and keep going forward. Now you will watch the side mirror, right side mirror. You will see the distance like this. It means your car is straight. Once the distance of the right side is straight, it means your car is straight and parked very well.